Class 10th, The Ball Poem by John Berman. The main points in the poem that the poet uses imagery and symbolism. The tone of the poet is really depressing. The loss of the ball symbolizes the loss of innocence and childhood. I told you there is symbolism, but the poet has given a very beautiful message. The life should be lived as it is, and we should move on with the changing time. So let us start the simple meaning of the poem. The poem is about a young boy who loses his ball. Usually losing a ball should not be a big issue. Young boys usually lose their toys and balls quite often. The ball is seen merrily bouncing down the street. When we play with the ball used to bounce, and ultimately the ball falls down into the water and lost forever. The boy stood there sadly watching the ball go, but he was helpless. Nor could he do anything to get the ball back. The ball here symbolizes the innocent childhood of the boy, which has slipped away when he wants it back. It is of no use to remind him that it was not a big loss. He can get more balls and continue his game. But for boy, the loss of the ball is a great loss. There may be other balls, and perhaps he can hope to get any one of them. However, the ball that he has lost cannot be retrieved. It has fallen into the deep water of the harbor. The boy is inconsolable. He loses hope in himself and becomes depressed and hopeless. He stands still, trembling and looking at the point where his ball has gone down into the harbor. Here, the lost ball stands for the lost childhood, and the harbor stands for the vastness of the life. It will not serve any purpose to remind him that the ball cost just a dime and is worth nothing. But there comes a change in his mood and thinking. He realizes that in this world, the loss is the part of the game. He must take such losses in life in his stride. Achievements will follow losses in life, and a thing that is lost once cannot be retrieved or brought back. Money can't buy the lost childhood, the lost dreams, and the lost feelings back. Money is external to such losses. The poet gives a message of hope and encouragement. Ultimately, he comes out of his depression and hopelessness. He has to learn how he should stand up to bear the loss. The theme of the poem is that life is precious and should not be wasted. Life has to be lived, and life can be lived purposefully and fruitfully only when we stand up and come out of depression. The central idea of the poem is, it looks like a simple story of a small boy losing his ball. The boy is severely upset. Normally it may seem like a great overreaction. Children lose things as their toys and balls quite often. Usually, no fuss should be made about such a small thing. But the ball seems to be symbolizing the poet's childhood. The boy, becoming an adult, loses his childhood. He was clinging on to childhood for so long The poet accepts the changes in his life. Although he is still suffering, yet he is learning to move on from his fleeting childhood. The true theme of the poem is that we should cherish every moment of life. Life is really very short. The poet realizes that it is very difficult to deal with the loss, but it must be done. We should move on, as there is no use in wasting precious time and life. So this is all about the ball poem in general. We will read the poem in the next video.